Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the topic that give full understanding on how compounding really works and why most people miss it. What if I told you the secret to building wealth isn't a business, a side hustle, or even a high-paying job, but something that works 24/7, quietly multiplying your money while you sleep? It's called compounding, and almost everyone misunderstands it. In this video, I'll show you how compounding really works, why most people miss out on its true power, and how you can start using it today, even if you're broke. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at money the same way again. The truth about compounding, and why it's the real wealth hack. Let's break it down. Everyone has heard of compound interest. It's the secret sauce behind Warren Buffett's empire, the invisible force that grows tiny savings into massive fortunes, and the reason the earlier you start, the better. Yet, despite its reputation as the eighth wonder of the world, most people completely misunderstand how it really works, or worse, ignore it entirely. This article isn't just another explanation of money makes money. We're going deep. You'll learn how compounding truly works, why most people miss out on its full potential, and how to use it to your long-term advantage. Chapter 1. The basic idea, but with real context. Most people think compounding means you earn interest on your interest. That's not wrong, but it's painfully shallow. Let's go a level deeper. Compounding is exponential growth, and exponential growth is tricky for the human brain. We're wired to think in straight lines. If I save $100 a month, I'll have $1,200 at the end of the year. That's linear. But compounding says, what if that money you saved started earning money? And that money earned money? And then that money kept going, forever. Let's illustrate with a simple example. You invest $10,000 at a 10% annual return. Year 1. You earn $1,000. Total. $11,000. Year 2. You earn 10% of $11,000 equals $1,100. Total. $12,100. Year 3. You earn 10% of $12,100 equals $1,210. Total. $13,310. Fast forward 30 years, and that $10,000 becomes $174,494. But here's the kicker, only $10,000 of that was your own money. The rest, over $164,000, was earned simply by letting time and compounding do their work. Chapter 2. Why most people miss it. Despite the simplicity, people still fail to harness compounding. Here's why. 1. It's slow in the beginning. In the first few years, compound growth feels boring. Whether you're saving $100 or investing $10,000, the initial results seem small. You put in work, but there's barely anything to show for it. And that's when most people quit. But the truth is, compounding works like a snowball rolling down a hill. The growth in the early stages is painfully slow, but give it time, and the curve skyrockets. 2. They don't stay consistent. Compound growth only works if you give it time and regular fuel. People stop investing. They panic during downturns. They withdraw money. Each interruption kills the compounding cycle. 3. They chase big wins rather than steady, consistent growth. Many chase crypto moonshots, lottery wins, or get-rich-quick schemes. But compounding isn't sexy. It's not flashy. It rewards patience, not greed. 4. They underestimate the power of small numbers. Even small amounts can explode over time. A $5 coffee saved every day and invested at 10% annually becomes over $300,000 in 40 years. That's the power people overlook. Chapter 3. The real math behind compounding. Let's dig into the math so you can see the raw formula of compounding. Future value, FV, equals P times 1 plus R, caret T. P equals principal investment. R equals interest rate, annual. T equals number of years. Let's say you invest $5,000 annually at 8% interest for 30 years. FV equals $5,000 times 1 plus 0.08, caret 30 to 1, 0.08 equals $566,416. That's over $500,000 from just $150,000 of your own money. The reason it grows so much isn't magic, it's math. Every year, your interest grows larger than the year before, which makes next year's interest grow even faster. It's like interest on steroids. Chapter 4. Real-life examples of compounding success. Warren Buffett started investing at 11. Today, his net worth is over $100 billion. But here's the interesting part. Over 90% of his wealth came after age 60. Why? Because compound growth takes decades to show its full power. He didn't just invest well, he stayed invested longer than almost anyone. The janitor who died with $8 million. Ronald Read was a janitor and gas station attendant who lived frugally and invested consistently. When he passed away, he shocked the world. He left behind an $8 million fortune. How? Compounding and patience. No fancy degrees. No big income. Just time and discipline. A missed opportunity. Imagine two friends. Sarah invests $200 per month from age 20 to 30, then stops. James starts at age 30 and invests $200 per month until 60. At age 60, who has more? Sarah, despite investing only 10 years versus James's 30. Why? Because her money had more time to compound. Chapter 5. How to actually use compounding in your life. 1. Start now. It doesn't matter if you're 18 or 48, the best time to start compounding is now. Even small amounts matter. Every day you delay costs you exponential growth. 2. Be consistent. Pick an amount and invest it regularly. Whether it's $50 or $500, consistency beats intensity. Dollar cost averaging helps smooth out the market's ups and downs. 3. Reinvest everything. Dividends? Reinvest them. Gains? Let them ride. Don't pull money out unless absolutely necessary. Every withdrawal is a speed bump in your compounding engine. 4. Avoid debt that compounds against you. Compounding also works in reverse. High-interest debt, like credit cards, compounds against you, growing rapidly and silently. If you're earning 8% on investments but paying 20% on debt, you're swimming against the current. 5. Stay the course. Markets will dip. Emotions will rise. But the people who win are those who stay invested during the tough times. Compounding works only if you leave it alone long enough to work. Your compounding journey starts today. Compounding is slow, invisible, and sometimes frustrating. But give it time, consistency, and respect, and it will change your life. It's not just about making your money work for you. It's about building a future where you don't have to work forever. The best part? You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start. So now you know, compounding isn't just interest on your money, it's the ultimate life hack that rewards patience, consistency, and time. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, and hit subscribe for more content that actually helps you build real wealth. Drop a comment below. What's one small habit you'll start today that will compound tomorrow? And if you're ready to go deeper, check out this next video, it'll blow your mind.